So my little exercise for today is to fix Jo's Bible. This is her much loved Life Application NLT Bible. It's well used and well worn, and well, it's sort of not really attached to anything anymore. There's a few loose pages. Gorilla Glue, awesome stuff. Not going to be needing that, so get rid of that. So what we've got instead is some carpet tape. Makes more sense in a minute. I've done this before, I promise. We got some really subtle orange gaffer tape, some scissors, used responsibly, and some magic tape. Most importantly of all, we've got a cup of tea, because I'm English and I like tea. So, having fixed a few books along the years, one of the first things I know I need to do is to get some carpet tape and tape the back of the spine here back onto the actual outside of the book. That's where carpet tape comes in, because it lasts a lot longer than other double-sided tapes and it works really well. So I'm going to cut that. Doesn't cut easily. So there we have some carpet tape. That is going to go in here, and once I got the back on, it gets a lot easier because the book's going to stay in the same basic place. So really good pressing it down, getting it in. I fixed a few of the boys' books this way. There we go. So that's the first thing that we're going to be doing. Now I'm going to peel that off using a trusty knife to get the backing off, because I haven't got fingernails really. And there we go. And then we have the first bit. So the main part of the Bible now is going to go back onto this. You only get one chance at this, so we're not doing 2 takes because it won't work. That looks about right. And then on to pushing both sides of the book to try and massage this in as best as I can so it stays together. Once this spine is together, hopefully it should stay better together. We almost have a Bible again. So, a few pages, we'll fix that with magic tape. This all is going to get fixed with magic tape, and then Jo wants gaffer tape around the outside, because she saw on the Skit Guys the red Bible and the brown Bible, and they look really awesome. So, Skit Guys Bible inspired parcel tape, not so good. So instead of parcel tape, we're going to use this nice subtle orange duct tape. Other gaffer tape providers are available. So this is where it gets a little bit chewy. That's not so good, that's coming away. So I think the best thing for that is to probably use a little, maybe get it a little worse. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is taking some more of this carpet tape, about the right length. I'm going to cut it and cut it in half. This is really awkward to do because it's very sticky, but hopefully this will work. It is stupidly sticky. Right, that goes on there. I'll keep going until we get all the way through. I'll pause this for you so you don't go watch this too much. It gets a bit boring otherwise. So here we are again. I'm going to put this on there for now because it doesn't stick to anything I don't want. That's why I didn't throw it away. So we'll put this back on. This should hold the Bible together a little better than it currently is. Again, rubbing it in. Trusty knife, take off the top level. And then splat that down. That's better. And now the front of the Bible is attached to the outside of the front of the cover. So that's getting better. These pages we'll do in a minute when it's a bit more stable. It's a bit floppy at the moment. So the next thing I'm going to do is tape this down. These pages are a bit creased. I was going to bin them, but my wife pulled a jib out. She wasn't happy about that. So this is where the magic tape comes in, because you can see through it and it lasts better than sellotape does. Flat as we can, as good as we can. That goes on there, that's alright. Don't forget to stop for your tea. So there's one page. That one and that one. I'll go back on there. So, a bit more magic tape. They're all trying to come off, look. Can't hold that one on. This one. Page numbers are right, yes, that's good. So this one's going on next. This isn't going to look perfect, but that's not bad. Quick check every so often, squash the pages out. That's those two on. That's okay. There we go. Trim this as we go. That's that one. Next thing to do is pull this page up, I think. Get that one on. Up here. A bit of a mess. Could do that on there. And that's where the second strip of carpet tape comes in. That's going to go on there. Like that. Take this off. I'm sure if you Google YouTube, whatever, you'll get a better version of how to do this. This will work for us. What we need. The spine is mostly attached back to the Bible, so that's good. I'd love to say that the Bible that's falling apart shows somebody who reads the Bible a lot, but I think it also might show someone who doesn't look after the Bible quite so well. As well. So more magic tape. Hold those together. It's sort of coming together now. It's never going to be perfect. My wife doesn't pay me enough for that. So sellotape dries out much faster than magic tape, which is why I much prefer it for anything involving paper. So this, I get a bit more. Right, that's most of the Bible done, pretty much. That's not bad. Happy with that. The next part of the repairs comes in now. Now the Bible's basically back together, we're going to use some Gaffa Tape to fix it. So that can go in. Gaffa Tape, good stuff. So, because the spine's weak, I'm going to go around the Bible and cutting it as I go. I can't bother taking the parcel tape off because I can't be bothered. Trust your knife. trim this other side when we get to the end. It's not really pretty, but it's going to be bright orange, and Jo does like her bright orange. A bit like cooking, sometimes you need to be a little confident and not too gentle. Oh, that's annoying. That is getting there. The next thing I want to do is go across here. So I'm going to go around. That's why I wasn't too bothered about these. See, I've done this before. I'm not an expert. Bit like that. Yep. Trim that off. Just keep on doing that. And this will hold it much more securely. One more and we'll do something a little different. So it's getting there. Nothing else, it will be unique. One more of those. most of it done. That's not too bad. The pages are back stuck to the Bible. These creases, can't do much about those. Get an iron I suppose, but I'm not with that. And the Bible is beginning to come together. I think that's probably about as good as that's going to get, really. The outside's done, pages are back together, Bible's back on the outside. Be nice if these were a little smoother, but I'll get there. Now they're where they're supposed to be. It will start to look better. This page here is sticking out, which makes it look really messy, so what I'm going to do is trim that. It's broken anyway. I have a different pair of scissors because these scissors are a little bit sticky. We'll clean that later, all this gunk. Wet wipes, kitchen towel, J-cloth, get all the glue off. But we'll just trim this page off. The way it's normal, it's not going to get ripped and look more tatty. So, thanks Don. Just going to trim this off. I don't really have much in the way of fine dexterity, but that looks better. And now we shut the Bible. It's looking better. This one's sticking out, so I'll just trim this one off as well. That's the dirty one. Alright. So, now there's no one page sticking out from the bottom, which is good. There you go. One Bible fixed. I could do this, but I'm not, because I've got no way of sticking the tape on without it looking silly. So I'll leave those pages as they are. There you go. Job done.